guys, it's Jisoo. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about September bullet journaling. Yes, I know September has already started, but I just wanted to show you guys my bullet journal setup for this month so you guys can get inspired if you want to create your own bullet journal setup but you have no idea what to draw. So right now I am drawing my cover page, and as you guys can see, I chose the theme for this month as Moomin. I love the Moomin characters. They are really cute and I really enjoy drawing them because I really love the atmosphere and the vibes they were just giving out to my bullet journal. So right now I am practicing my handwriting because I had no idea what handwriting I should use for my cover page title, which is going to be September. So I practiced my cursive writing, and then I practiced my capital letters and other writing styles, and then I figured out that some curvy and cute writing style fit with this monthly theme, so I decided to stick with those. And then next to my cover page, I wanted to draw something, so I decided to draw another Moomin there. And I decided to draw a really cute smiling Moomin reaching his arms out in the sky, so it can really give out the vibes of happiness. I wanted this Moomin to be inside a frame, so I drew a rectangle around it, but I wanted to make this a 3D shape as well, so I decided to make the frame a little bit smaller so its arms will be out of the frame. Then I used my Moomin washi tapes as well, and it turned out really cute. After designing another page of Moomin, I moved on to my trackers. Well, because my habit trackers and mood trackers and all of those other trackers didn't work for me very well because I already had my binder, so I was really used to using my own binder. So I thought that if I just make my tracker to be really simple this time, I might be using this as much as I can, making myself become more productive. So what I decided to do was to design a video tracker and a study tracker. So for video tracker, it's just like I am just writing down what videos I might be uploading in the YouTube channel. And for my study tracker, it's just basically tracking my study time, so I can just write down how many hours I've studied on that day. So, as you guys can see, I drew a sleeping Moomin, or sort of like snoring Moomin, on top of the paper. And at the bottom right corner, I drew a character that comes out in Moomin, but I don't know her name. So anyway, next to the character, I drew a reading Moomin because I wanted to write down my reading log in that page, so I decided to draw a reading Moomin so it will fit with what I'm going to write down on that page. This is the flip through of my bullet journal setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you really enjoyed this, please press the likes and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!